Namaskar. Welcome to our channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to install and download VMware Workstation 16, which is the latest version of VMware. In this video, we will see how to install Windows 10 2004 or Windows 10 2004, which is the latest version of Windows 10 on VMware Workstation Pro 16. So if you have not checked the previous video, please make sure you click on the I button and saw that video. In this video we will see how to install Windows 10. So let's start. So for your convenience, I have write down all the process which we are going to perform in this video. You will find this document text file in the description. So if you want this, you make sure you download this file so that it will be very easy for you while you install the Windows 10. So now we will start the process of installing. So for that you have to search VMware and right click and run as administrator. Make sure you have the administrative privilege or you are logged in as a administrator. Then when we open the workstation, as you can see, Workstation 16 Pro. So now we will install the operating system step by step. You can take my text file, which is the description, for the guidance. Okay, so number one step, click on new virtual machine. You can click on here or you can go from file, new virtual machine, and you can also use the shortcut Control plus N. So create a new virtual machine. Then here it is showing to install the guest operating system. You have two options. So in this video we will go for typical method. Next video we will see custom advanced method to install. So by selecting this, click on next. Then here you will get three options. If you have a CD DVD, you can choose this, but in the most of case I will prefer you will choose the ISO file. Okay, if you not have the ISO file, please get it from your friend, or you can, if you have a good internet connection and data, so you can download also the Windows 10, the latest version. So after clicking on this, click on browse and locate where you have put the ISO file. So as you can see, I have Windows 10 2004. So just click on it and click on open. So it will detect. After that, click on next. Then we are on the step number 5. So if you have Windows 10 product key, you can paste it here. If you not have, you can also move further. So here you can choose version of Windows 10, which version you want, education, home, or what. So I'm going here for Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so now you will enter the full name and username, which is going to use this guest operating system, and the password. After that, click on next. So it is showing that you didn't enter the product key. So if you want, you can put it later. So I'm clicking on next. Now you have to give the virtual machine name. So if you want this name, then okay, I will go for this name. Okay, after entering the name, you have to provide the location where your VM machine will be put it. So you can choose any partition or also on an external hard drive if you have. So I'm going on this my workstation clients, and here I will make a new folder and name it same which I have given my virtual machine name. The folder name will be same, so it will be easy for me while finding this. Click on OK, then click on next. After that, now you have come to specify the disk capacity. So for Windows 10, it is recommended that you must have at least 60 GB. You can move it for further to 80 GB or whatever you want, but at least you have to provide 60 GB. So by default, let this remain, but here this option you have to choose store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, it is my recommendation. Then click on next, and now you have finished the basic process. If you want to customize the hardware, like you same like you buy the real computer, so you can increase your memory RAM. As you know, recommended RAM for Windows 10 is 2 GB. So if you want to be at 2 GB, it will be okay. If you want to increase, then you can also increase to 4 GB or whatever you want. Okay, then the processor is number of processor 1, number of cores 2. So these are the basic thing. You can choose the network type or what you have to keep it NAT, so that your host operating system internet connection will be also given to your guest operating system. If you don't want, you can choose LAN segment or whatever you want. We will discuss this further. So if you want sound card, as you can see, no, I am installing this for practice or for training, so I don't need sound card, so I will remove sound card. I don't need printer also, so I will remove printer. So now this is all okay for me. Click on close, and now click on finish. So this is creating our virtual machine. Now the virtual machine is created and it is powering on. So press. So as you can see, the Windows boot logo is showing, and now we will install the Windows 10. As you know, if you don't know, please click on the I button. You will get how to install Windows 10, or you can also follow this video too. So as you see, we have installed Windows 10 2004 on our VMware Workstation 16, and we are come to login screen. After the login, you can use your Windows 10 guest operating system in your VM. So I hope this video really helps you, and if this video really helps you, then please hit the like button. Please share this with your friends, and if this video helps you, then please subscribe our channel. And why do you subscribe our channel? Because in futures you get the videos, technical videos, just like you have shown just right now. So please make sure you subscribe our channel so that you can get all the technical videos related to computers, laptops, Windows, and any technical problems you have, tips and tricks. So please make sure you subscribe our channel and comment down if this video really helps you, and please share this with your friends. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.